Hey YouTube, what's going on today? Today we had a snow day at work, so we didn't have to go in, but decided to come outside, check out the truck, and felt it was good enough to go to the gym weather-wise, so decided to back out and forgot one kind of key component. Did not unplug the block heater, so looking here, here's part of the receptacle. That was the part that was left on the truck. Ripped it up pretty good. I don't know if it's going to focus or whatnot. Yeah, and then there's the rest of the cord. Didn't know I was doing it until I kind of saw the cord. I was halfway down the driveway. Wife come running out, and I pretty much ripped it off this wall right here. So with that, I ripped off my sprinkler head power receptacle. There's part of it, and then there's the other half of it. So, and if you look at the front of my truck, if you look at the actual receptacle itself, I bent the hell out of it. So, second time I've done this in a month. I think it's actually time for me to maybe go out that garage door right there instead of actually go out the big one, which is, yeah, that one right there. Every time I go out that one and I go to the truck, I always forget to look at the front of the actual truck. I may just jump in there, start the truck up, warm it up. Next thing you know, I back out, and that happens. So I'm an idiot, learned a hard lesson, but yeah, a little weather day here today, and probably be a late start tomorrow. I think I'm done hooking up the actual block heater for this season, because that joker's broke, so I got to get a new cord. If you guys know where to get those, please comment down below. I'm not trying to go to the dealer and buy the whole assembly. I think you can buy the cords at somewhere for like 10-15 bucks. Don't quote me on that. This doesn't actually look like it's going to be too hard to replace. It looks like it's just 3 actual leads. The two orange and the 1 green, and then it just comes up through here, comes out there, and plugs into the wall. So hopefully that's an easy fix. I'd be pissed if my sprinklers don't work. Seeing that, you know, I need them for the summer where my grass looks like absolute dog crap. Truck doesn't look too bad considering I drove it to the gym and back, probably about, say, 10 miles round trip. A little bit of water spots, not too much ice buildup in the wheel wells. But for Oklahoma, this is kind of rare. We've got about 4 inches. It's quickly melting away even though it's below freezing. It was 75 on Sunday. And now it's all of a sudden it's snowing, which is weird. So I'm used to driving in this stuff. I was in Nebraska where we got feet upon feet every year. So kind of got used to it up there, and being from the East Coast originally. But people out here, man, I went by a lady on the highway who was doing like 15 on an overpass on one of the most busiest streets in Oklahoma, or Moore, Oklahoma, on my way home from the gym. And that's how accidents are caused, because people do not know how to drive in this shit. So, but yeah, so weather here sucks today, but it is what it is. And it'll probably be 70 degrees here in a few days. So the extension cord, here's that end that I ripped out of the wall. I haven't even tried to mess with it yet. I'm not going to. I'm just going to throw it away. If you can see over there on the bench, I got like hundreds and hundreds of feet of extension cord, and that's not including what I got in the attic for Christmas crap. So I got a whole bunch of cords up in the attic for Christmas lights and stuff. So I probably got about 5 more of them. All right, so one of the next things I want to do to the truck is, I pretty much got all the wiring installed, is do the dash cam. And the reason I haven't done that yet is because I'm going to do a brow strip. And when I get that done, I will install the rest of the camera. I already have the wires ran down to the accessory on, and a ground down by my emergency brake. And all I got to do is just connect a connector that's up by my rear view mirror to the camera. So here's the camera itself, and it comes in right there. So this will mount up like that. This will mount, say, like this is the windshield, and then it'll actually, there's that cord that comes down and just plugs in there. The only reason I haven't done this yet is for the simple fact that I need to do the brow tint before I stick the 3M film on there. I got this idea from getting the dash cam. I saw it on Dirty Max Jack's channel a few months ago. he got one and installed it on his truck, and I've always wanted to install one. So with that being said, I went out and looked at them, and I think my wife got it for me for my birthday. That was back in October, so it's been a little while, but I'm gonna get it installed probably within the next couple weeks, and I'll show you guys how I did that. But overall, today's been kind of one of those crapshoots, man. I ripped a cord out of the wall. Actually, two, if you look at the, if you add the, what is it called? The sprinkler head system in there. I actually ripped that cord out too, completely busted the canister that goes, or not the canister, but the actual plug itself, that the big black box that plugs into the wall. Ripped that off the wall and broke that as well. So a little mistake I probably could have avoided by going out the right garage door and just thinking about what I had done to the truck, but it didn't happen. It sucks. Probably going to cost me about, say, 60 bucks to get everything repaired when it comes to the cord that goes into the block and the actual cord that goes into my Rainbird, whatchamacallit, sprinkler system. So, all right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Just wanted to make a nice little short video, just showing kind of what was going on around here today since I was out of work for weather. Had two little incidents happening. One of them happened into the truck, and yeah, it sucks, but hopefully we can get a new cord for the block, leave the heater element in the block, and just get the cord that attaches to it. I'm not sure if you can do that or not, but I'm gonna do a little bit of research here shortly and see what I can find out. Thanks for all you new subscribers. Please, tell people about this this channel, and we can get it going. Hopefully we can start getting it off the ground quickly. Once again, thanks guys, appreciate you watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.